if you have no space in your room, in your house, or in your surrounding of the house, so you need to rent storage near in your neighbor or community. Just like this, I have my own little storage here, but temporary only. We need to move now because the owner are complaining about my stuff, a lot of goods or materials, and I wanna break it this to dismantle for now. So this is our content for today. So instead, I bring it this heavy drawer or mini shelves or a table for kitchen. I cannot sell this because this is only a temporary for my stuffs in the house before, but I use it. But I need to reassemble again if there's a time because it's I need to change the material things, so maybe the frame only I need. So just to lifting not too much heavy. So if you are like this, I have two tables there and two doors there. So we need to remove out and move it in my storage. So for now, this is another one, another broke it before I move it. So for now, guys, this is our blog and content, and there's some other back of the house. There's a tires and wheels there, and or rims, and some push cart or a metal push cart and cargo puller. So that's my stuff. Only one at the back is clear after that, and there's some tables inside this mini storage that is temporary because this is the owner stops or shelves. Okay, so this is, we need to break it this a little piece by piece, remove the screw, and we put in my van so it's easily lifting, easily assemble, easily remove it here. Okay, so see you guys, subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel for this today. So we need to break it this other one there, instead bring it there also in the big storage, a new storage. Okay, so see you guys, that's all, and hopefully you like this video. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys, that's all.